Hello, this is Rhonda Schaefer from Fairport, New York. Today I'm going to share how we live our lives one day at a time by Annie Johnson Flint. If you've not been here before, be sure to comment, subscribe, or hit the notification bell so you're notified when I post content for you. One day at a time, with its failures and fears, with its hurts and mistakes, with its weakness and tears, with its portion of pain and its burden of care. One day at a time we must meet, we must bear. One day at a time, be patient and strong, to be calm under trial and sweet under wrong. Then its toiling shall pass and its sorrow shall cease. It shall darken and die, and the night shall bring peace. One day at a time, but the day is so long, and the heart is not brave, and the soul is not strong. O thou pitiful Christ, be thou near all the way. Give courage and patience and strength for the day. Swift cometh his answer, so clear and so sweet. Yea, I will be with thee thy troubles to meet. I will not forget thee, nor fail thee, nor grieve. I will not forsake thee, I never will leave. Not yesterday's load we are called on to bear, nor the morrow's uncertain and shadowy care. Why should we look forward or back with dismay? Our needs as our mercies are but for the day. One day at a time, and the day is his day. He hath numbered its hours, though they haste or delay. His grace is sufficient, we walk not alone. As the days, so the strength that he giveth his own. Thank you for joining me today and for watching One Day at a Time. Always remember that you are never alone, although it might seem that way from time to time. Be sure to make comments that are at least 3 words or more with that like or heart. Good day.